Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you the really nice church in Cyprus close to Napa. This church is on the coast and you can see the beautiful view. Church dates back from 11th century and it's located close to Ayia Napa in Cyprus, approximately like 7 or 8 miles. This church offers a breathtaking view to whoever comes here and enjoy the view. You can see the coast of Cyprus and Mediterranean Sea in very unique way. Especially during the sunset, the horizon transforms into a canvas painted with ethereal shades of blue and gold color. It's really beautiful and it's offering a truly experience to whoever is enjoying. For many, this church represents more than a historical site. This is a place where you can meditate or take a rest and find a peace or pause the day. This place is an essential destination to whoever comes to Cyprus or Ayia Napa. You can walk all down the coast and enjoy the sea view because the view is stunning. There is no fee and there is no fee to enter, but you need to respect the holy ground. The best time to visit the church is during the sunset because the sunset here is unbelievable. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. This is my first video. Thank you.